Cement removal agent with a robot this time. How does that work?
Similar to the manual cleaning, we advise to spray it on and then come with a robot to do the brushing and rinsing. You can also attach a second hose, for example, to the robot and have it using it as a sprayer, or even using on the robots that have that possibility, installing the sprayer on the front brush, applying the CRA.
The second hose to the front brush.
With second hose of the front brush.
Okay.
The water to the back brush, and if you move slowly with the robot, you will be able to do everything at the same time. You apply the CRA, it will react underneath the robot, and when it comes the second brush, it's already ready to be removed.
Oh.
So the robot will move slow, but it will be just one pass. You can do it the traditional way, just apply with a sprayer first, then installing the brush on the front brush, on the front part, and then brush as a second step. It will depend on the installation. It will depend on the severity of the problem. So there are different ways you can. There will be beneath the video all the instructions to how to use it, how to choose the correct dilution, detailed instructions for that, so you can look at the cleaning tools that you have and how you can adapt the use of the product to those tools. And once again, there's no waiting time. You can just apply and brush afterwards.